Good afternoon, Mark. Please come in and take a seat.
Good afternoon, doctor. Thank you.
So, what brings you to the clinic today?
I have been feeling quite ill for the past few days.
I see. Can you tell me exactly what your symptoms are?
Well, the main problem is a terrible stomach ache.
Is the pain sharp, or is it more of a dull ache?
It's a sharp pain, especially after I eat anything.
Have you noticed any other issues, like vomiting or diarrhea?
Yes, I had diarrhea this morning and I feel very nauseous.
Do you have a fever?
I don't think so, but I feel very weak and tired.
Okay, I need to take your temperature and blood pressure.
Sure, no problem.
Your temperature is normal, but your blood pressure is a little low. When did the stomach ache first start?
It started yesterday evening, right after dinner.
What did you eat for dinner yesterday?
I ate some takeaway pizza and a cold drink.
It sounds like you might have food poisoning.
Oh no, is that serious?
It can be, but usually it passes quickly. We need to do a few things. First, I'm going to ask you to take a blood test.
A blood test? Is that necessary?
Yes, it will help us confirm the cause of the infection.
When should I do the test?
You can go to the lab downstairs right now. In the meantime, I will write you a prescription.
What is the prescription for?
It's for a strong anti-nausea medicine and some rehydration salts.
How often should I take the medicine?
Take one pill when you feel very sick, but only up to 3 times a day. The rehydration salts you should dissolve in water and drink slowly.
Dissolve in water. Got it.
Now, regarding your diet, you must only eat light foods for 48 hours.
What do you mean by light foods?
Things like plain rice, boiled potatoes, and clear soup. No coffee, no spicy food, and definitely no pizza.
I understand. No pizza for 2 days.
Also, it's very important to stay hydrated. Drink slowly.
I feel so thirsty all the time.
That is because of the diarrhea. Drink small sips frequently. You should start feeling better as soon as you take the medicine.
When can I expect the test results?
The results will be ready tomorrow afternoon. Call my office tomorrow so we can review the results together.
Should I come back to see you?
Only if the pain gets worse or if the fever starts.
Thank you so much for your help and advice, doctor.
You are welcome, Mark. Get well soon, and please follow the diet strictly.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.